My name is Frank Ibeju. I am the president of the Lagos Business School Alumni Association. We are very delighted at this point begin to present some very interesting results in the work that we have been doing to benefit communities around the Lagos Business School axis.
Lakwe Primary Health Care Center in Lakwe community of Ibeju Lekki local government. So this place has been in existence since year 2010. The Lagos Business School came to renovate the health center.
The big thanks goes to Lagos Business School because they are giving our health center a new shape now.
Over the last 6 months, have focused on these communities to improve livelihood and of course to extend to these communities our own hand of fellowship to them, just to acknowledge that together we can achieve a lot more.
A lot of things have been done. They paint our health center for us. They supplied us with a new farm. They supply us with equipment, a lot of equipment like circumcision set, kidney tray, beds for patients, cupboards, to mention few.
My name is Oluwabumi. I'm from Lakwe Phase 2. I noticed the renovation at least is making the place looking brighter.
This was something that we first thought of 2 years ago, but we were slowed down by both the pandemic and indeed the time that it has taken us to negotiate this project with the Lagos State government.
About 7 communities, they come here for treatment. Namely, we have Lakwe community care, Lesoro community, Adeba community, Oribanwa community, Eputu community, Lakwe Phase 2, and a few people from Gulf. Most of them come here for treatment.
I'm also very happy that we chose Lakwe Primary Health Care Center because it's not just for Lakwe town, but for 7 communities with over 6,000 people benefiting. We thank God for that. In terms of average visits, an average of between 900 to 1,500 people visit here on a monthly basis. And we hope that by renovating this place, a lot more people will have the confidence to come here on an ongoing basis and receive quality care, the same kind of quality that they would get in a private hospital.
We're glad that we're here today and that we can now be able to present this project for public use for the betterment of the people of the community.
We commissioned the renovation of this facility today, November 6, 2021, to the glory of God.
Without health, there's no wealth. More importantly, over the last 18 months, we have seen how COVID-19 has affected every single one of us. We've also seen how important access to quality healthcare is. And this opportunity that you have given us as the Lagos Business School Alumni Association to work with you through a public-private partnership to be able to renovate, re-equip, and train your medical staff is a rare opportunity, and we don't take it for granted. So thank you so much for this opportunity given to us today. We're able now, through this brand new renovated primary health center, provide world-class antenatal care. In Nigeria, babies and family mean so much to us, and we need to make sure that safe delivery happens.
I'm very happy with the new facility, the increased number of staff. I feel with this change, we are now having a greater Lakwe, a better health center.
We are indeed very grateful to leaders of these communities, the Balas and the others, with whom we have worked to ensure a very speedy delivery of these projects. We're also very grateful to the Governing Council of the Lagos Business School Alumni Association for the support that they have given, the financial support without which we will not be here today. Of course, we thank the Dean of the University, Professor Csr Lakwe, and members of the faculty for their support as well. We are indeed grateful as well to members of the association and others who have put their cash where their mouth is to ensure that we are able to deliver these projects in a record time.
I'm so happy, and my colleagues too. We are very, very happy because they have given our health center a good shape, and the thing they supply us will make us to deliver our work diligently. The work will be easier for us. In terms of when we want to attend to our patients, it will be more easier for us. We thank them.
What I see today was surprising from Lagos Business School. So we thank you, all of you, all present and the chairman, secretary, and everybody. We thank you very much for what you have done for the Lakwe community today. May God bless all of you. Amen.
Amen.
Thanks.
For the Lakwe Health Center, we expect that attendance will be higher. Following what we have done, we expect that there will be better care, medical care delivered, following what we have doing. And we hope as well that this can be a trigger or an inspiration for other people well-meaning in society who can impact similar health institutions across the state and indeed across the country. So this is just a start, but without any question, it's a very good start. And we hope that it will not be the last.